Oh no! Oh.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Cast-A-Fly. Glad you could join us today. Hey, we're out at Blanchard Springs. Found us a camping spot. We're going to show you guys around in a little bit, but we're excited to be here. Connor and I today.
What's up?
Yeah, so here's our camp spot. We're not even set up yet. We're going to the creek's right down there. So we're going to check that out in a little bit. Maybe do a little hiking. Looks like a good spot to sneak into. All right.
Yeah.
How you doing there, buddy?
Good, I guess. What was it?
Old mill. Pretty cool. Try this another way. There are trout down there. Woo.
Can you hold this?
I got it.
And there's that spot down there that you can sit
Getting ready to grill up some burgers. Got camp kind of halfway set up. Connor's been cleaning his feet for like an hour. I don't know what he's doing. He's cleaning his feet. Okay. I guess we're throwing on burgers. How is it? Is it good? It's just a burger on white bread.
Yeah.
It's extra good when you're outdoors. How you doing?
I'm giving you this whole thing because I'm not gonna need it.
Alright. I don't care. Well, we're set up for the night. It's definitely a cool area. No cell service. There's nothing wrong with that though. We're at the, I guess, the far end of the campground that everybody else is over there. So we're a ways away from everybody, which is kind of cool. Pretty quiet. Good morning, everyone. It's 5:30. We're getting an early start. Getting ready to make some coffee. Connor's working on picking up everything that, packing us up in the tent. I'm gonna work on breakfast. We got a little fire started. And just about coffee time. How's it going, bud?
Huh?
I said, how's it going?
Good. What's for breakfast?
That looks pretty good to me. What are you eating?
Yogurt.
Alright. Breakfast is served. How's breakfast?
Good. Got a problem?
No.
Got a problem? Talk to the fluff ball on my hat.
The fluff ball on your hat.
Yeah. This guy.
It's a big fluff ball. Beautiful morning. You ready?
Of course I'm ready.
We just left Two Rivers Fly Shop. Wonderful shop. Hooked us up with what we need to know. So we're heading down to Dry Run. So if you guys don't know what that is, we're on the Norfork. And what it is, it's I believe it's 16 and under. I think that's what it is. But anyway, it comes right out of the hatchery, and there's some amazing trout down there. So Connor's gonna get to fish that today, which is awesome. So hopefully he will catch a monster. So yeah. All right, we're here. Dry
I'm gonna
Run.
catch a fish.
Dry Run Creek.
Let's go.
Let's go check this out. Dude, this is sick. Right here. Woo! Sick. Guys, this is super cool. This is super cool down here. Really cool. Moving really fast though. Oh, got him on. Go and take it. Yeah. Okay. Try not to touch him because my hands aren't wet. It's a little baby one. Don't touch him. Your hands aren't wet. Just let him go.
Bye-bye, buddy.
Hey, watch. Oh! Yeah! Keep him in the water. Keep him in the water.
He's heavy.
Well, don't pull him out of the water. You don't want. Oh, nice one.
Yeah. I got him from over there. Like it was just going with the flow, and then I got him.
Nice. Okay, you gonna try to hold him?
Uh-huh.
Get your hands wet. Put the rod down. Whatever you do, don't squish him. Just grab him gently.
He's slaying me.
It's okay. He's not gonna hurt you. There's nothing to stick you or nothing.
Come on, come on.
Look.
He's slippery. He slipped out of my hand. Yeah.
Let me see you.
Big boy.
I can't see the fish. He gone.
Right when I turned him, he slipped.
Nice one. Good job.
That's the biggest one today. I caught a fish.
Nice. There he goes.
See ya.
See you, buddy.
get it? And
Oh no!
that was a big brown.
Oh! Woo! That was a big fish.
Look at that. That
Yeah.
was a brown again, wasn't it?
I think it was a rainbow.
Oh, it was?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was a big one.
Good fish.
It was-
It's gotta be
it was a
couple,
big one.
3 pounds anyway.
That was nice. Yeah.
There's about 3 big fish right out in front of that wall. Yeah, if you put them trying to keep that fly line up off the water, especially coming this way because they can see that fly line.
Remember what I was telling you earlier?
Yeah.
So here's the second man telling you that. Just saying.
If you saw a candy bar coming down and you knew that the last couple times that candy bar came through it was hooked to something like that, with a hook on the end,
They're pretty smart, man.
Candy bar, would you?
You got to be
Like this.
smarter than the fish, man.
Yeah.
These are pretty smart fish.
Well, they learn. Why do you think they call groups of fish? What do you know what they call groups of fish? A school.
Sure.
Right. What do we hope you do in school? Learn. All right. I have parents when their son or daughter just kind of has that deer in the headlights look when I ask them that. And that afterwards they'll say, we're just hoping they didn't. And he didn't say, what do you do in school? It's being in detention or fool around or something.
Pick my nose.
Yeah. Good, Connor.
Oh, man. That was one of those big ones, wasn't it? They were sitting right there. Whoa.
He was just teasing us, wasn't he?
Hey, everybody. Hey, we just finished up at Dry Run Creek. We had a good time, didn't we?
I caught 8 fish.
Oh, it was pretty cool down here. Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Then there was a volunteer down here from Trout Unlimited, Steve. Steve, appreciate you. Had a good time with him. Connor got to use a 10-car rod, which is cool. Had a good time. Well, we're gonna head home, and man, we'll catch you guys next time. See ya. Bye.
Fish.